Welcome to Canva series by Software Review Official. In this series we will teach designing in Canva for free. So let's get started by clicking on canva.com. Login is important in Canva as it helps to keep the designs safe. So I will log in and create an account. Now they will ask to select reason for which you will use Canva. Select your option. I am selecting Canva for person use. Here is an option given to use Pro version, but as I want Canva only for free, so I am selecting maybe later. Welcome to home page of your account in Canva. Here we have a lot of templates available which can be customized by our own choice. But first I want to tell about this recent designs heading. All of our designs, either they are complete or not, will be shown under this heading. And we can come to them anytime we want to edit or view them. Let's find a template to edit to show you how designs are made. Here we have a lot of template. Some of these are totally free to use and some of these have elements in them which can only be accessed after purchasing premium version. Let's start customizing a free template. This is a canvas where we can design anything we want. I will edit this template a little bit. Rest of the thing we are going to cover in next videos. After changing the template, I am going to close this window. Now I am back to the home page. Refresh your home page. And voila! Here is the designs that we edited, and now we can access it anytime we want. This is one of the major benefits of designing after creating an account. And this is it. In the next video we will create our YouTube thumbnail. Don't forget to check our new video.